Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. In today's session, we are exploring how ISO 14031 connects with the exciting and future-focused concept of the circular economy. Let's understand how measuring environmental performance can support a truly circular approach. So stay tuned. What is ISO 14031? Let's begin with ISO 14031. This standard offers guidelines, not requirements, for evaluating environmental performance. It helps organizations identify, track, and improve key environmental indicators like resource use, emissions, and waste. The idea is simple. Know where you stand environmentally so you can improve and make better decisions. What is the circular economy? Now, what is the circular economy? It is an economic model focused on eliminating waste and keeping resources in use for as long as possible. Think, reduce, reuse, recycle, regenerate. Instead of the traditional take, make, dispose model, the circular economy promotes a loop just like nature. The link between ISO 14031 and circular economy. So how do these two connect? ISO 14031 gives organizations the tools to measure their environmental impact, and circular economy gives them the direction to minimize that impact through smarter systems. For example, if you are measuring how much waste your factory produces, that is ISO 14031. If you then redesign your production process to reuse that waste, that is circular economy in action. Using ISO 14031 to drive circular strategies. With ISO 14031, you can track material flow indicators, waste ratios, and resource efficiency. These indicators help identify areas for circular improvement, such as reducing raw materials input, increasing recycling rates, designing products for reuse or remanufacturing. We can say that ISO 14031 gives you the data, whereas circular economy gives you the strategy. Real-world application. Let's say your company manufactures electronics. Using ISO 14031, you measure energy use and e-waste generation. You notice high waste levels and that triggers a shift. Now you start designing products that are easier to disassemble and recycle. That's environmental evaluation leading to circular innovation. ISO 14031 helps you understand your environmental performance. Circular economy helps you act on that understanding in a way that benefits both business and the planet. Together, they form a powerful path towards sustainable transformation. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to TNV Academy for more ISO knowledge in simple language. Got questions about circular economy or the ISO standards? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and remember, measure smart, act circular.